Imagine you're solving a riddle. At first, you don't know the answer, but you think through the clues step by step until the solution clicks. Now compare that with memorizing a fact like remember the capital of USA. One is just recall, the other is reasoning. Hi, I am Satish Chaudhary and welcome back to In Simple Terms with Satish. Today, we are going to explore AI reasoning, how machines are learning to think through problems, not just repeat patterns. AI reasoning is the ability for machines to solve problems step by step, making logical connections instead of only predicting answers based on past data. In other words, it's when AI does not just guess, it actually works things out like we do when we solve puzzles. Think of the difference between a student who memorizes multiplication table and a student who actually understands how multiplication works. The first can answer 6 times 7 if they have memorized it. But if you ask them 6.5 times 7, they're stuck. The second student who reasons can figure it out by breaking it down. AI reasoning aims to give machines that second kind of thinking. Imagine a child playing with blocks. If you want them to build a tower taller than the one they just built, they don't need to memorize every tower size they have ever made. They can reason. If I can add two more blocks, it will be taller. That step by step thought process is reasoning. AI is starting to do the same. AI reasoning is already being tested in areas like education, law, and research. In math apps, reasoning based AI can walk students through each step of a solution instead of just showing the final answer. In healthcare, it can analyze symptoms, reason through possible causes, and suggest diagnosis rather than just matching patterns. Even in customer support, reasoning based AI can handle tricky questions. For example, instead of giving a generic answer, it can work through the specific situation, like why a bill is higher this month, and provide a logical explanation. And researchers are using AI reasoning in science, where machines can form hypotheses, test ideas, and explain their thought process, something far beyond memorization. So, reasoning is the next step for AI, moving it closer to problem solving that feels more human. So, in simple terms, AI reasoning is intelligence that don't just recall or guess, it thinks through problems step by step. In our next episode, we'll explore custom AI hardware, why computers are now built with specific chips to run AI faster and smarter. Thanks for listening to In Simple Terms with Satish. Subscribe, share this with a friend, and join me again as we continue to make the complicated simple. Thank you.